Here is one number facing a whole list of divisors: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Which of them divide 7,740, and which divide 5,832? Sort the hits in your head. Pause the video. Run the list on both numbers. Each divisor only reads one small piece of the number. Which tail does each one read? Lay 7,740 out, digit by digit. Now bring up the whole list. The last digit is 0, so 2, 5, and 10 all fire at once. 4 reads the last two. 40 is 4 times 10, so 4 fires. 8 reads the last 3. 740 divided by 8 is 92.5, so 8 is the one miss. 3 and 9 read the digit sum. 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 0 is 18. 18 splits by 3 and by 9, so both fire. And 6 is just 2 and 3 together, so 6 fires too. Every test but 8. Same machine, a different number, 5,832. The last digit is 2. 2 is even, so 2 fires. But 2 is not 0 or 5, so 5 and 10 both miss. That is the flip. The same last digit reflex that gave the first number a jackpot now denies this one. The last 2 is 32. 32 is 4 times 8, so 4 fires. The last 3 is 832. 832 is 8 times 104, so here 8 fires. The digit sum, 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2, is 18, so 3 and 9 fire. Even and split by 3, so 6 fires too. Now it is your turn, a speed round. Which divisors hit? Beat the timer in your head. This is the run the rules idea. If a number faces a whole list of divisors, run each rule on the piece it can see. Last digit, last 2, last 3, or the digit sum. And let 6 be 2 and 3 together. Look for one number tested against many divisors at once. Every rule reads only the smallest piece the divisor can see. The rest is a power of 10 it already divides. And the same test that says divisible hands you the remainder, the mod, for free. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.